you're looking to begin a movies cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a movie niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we have to begin to think, what would someone interested in watching movies, what would they be looking at? So I looked up movie recaps and it looks like there's a channel already called Movie Recaps. So let's go check out this channel to see the type of content that they're creating. It looks like there's different sections of a certain film, but let's go further investigate. I'm gonna go check out one of their videos. So it already starts off by introducing a character, and this can be free stock footage that you can easily download on websites on the internet. And I believe that this channel is already creating like a short film and basically creating their own movies. Unless this is a movie that already came out that I'm unaware of. And if anyone knows the movie, feel free to comment down below what it is. But there's also the voiceovers of the different characters. The video also gives out some subtitles so that you can follow along reading what they're saying as well. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, this video alone has reached over 130,000 views in just the past 3 days. The channel itself has over 1.8 million subscribers, and the video already has some decent engagement as it has over 150 comments. And I'm beginning to read some of the comments, and no one has really gave out a specific name. I think the channel itself does create its own short films, which is a pretty creative idea. Let's go check out the channel to see what other movies that they recap. So as I scroll down in their popular upload section, I can see that this channel is really creative with the way they present their content as they create their own short films. But they're most likely downloading the free stock footage, putting it together with some voiceovers, and simply uploading it onto YouTube. They're already avoiding the copyright claims, so they already started off with their own original content. So this is most definitely a channel that you could look for inspiration. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below, what is your favorite movie? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go check out how much money they're making in just ad revenue alone and how many views this channel is gaining. Now if I go into this website, I can now see the channel statistics. As I scroll down, I can now investigate how many views this channel is gaining, as in the past 30 days, this channel has got over 20 million views, which is a great amount of views to be attracting for creating your own short films. And just in their monthly earnings, these guys are making the 5-figure mark as they're gaining over 80,000 in just ad revenue by people watching the ads on the videos. And in their yearly earnings, this channel is raking in that 6-figure mark, getting close to that 7-figure mark as they're raking in over $900,000. They're helping people max out on that popcorn and making a profit at the same time. If you are enjoying the content so far, I'd appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage, our sounds, and let's go make these movies put together. And no, by the way, you don't need to be a director to make these type of videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like shooting your own mini movie. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the movie niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There are always new films being made and coming out every year. So I don't see why not that you can make your own mini movies in your YouTube automation channel. The great thing is that the video ideas are endless, so you can never run out of video ideas for your type of content. You have so many different types of options as well when you're creating your own videos. You can use free stock footage, you can start doing whiteboard animations, and any other form that you could think of as well. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make when done properly, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I hope that you guys can use them as inspiration. Try to be original when you're creating your own content. This is also just one niche. So if this wasn't the one for you, don't worry about it because we're going to go over many other niches in future videos as well. Let's say this was the niche for you. You now have 2 options. You have option A. You can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're gonna try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube. If you'd be interested in that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here, as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.